The journey's been very exhausting, I will say. मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना थका देने वाली जर्नी है बट खूबसूरत जर्नी है. That's life. And why I say थका देने वाली है because of the fact you know how it is. Acting is a very difficult business. It's a very difficult profession. It commands and it demands a lot. And जिस तरह का काम मैं pick करता हूँ या the kind of work I want to do, it's very demanding. So yeah, let's do it again. Yeah.
Okay, Sahil.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Thank you. So, from Everest to Panipat, how's the journey been so far?
Oh, the journey's been very exhausting but beautiful. Because जिस तरह का काम मैंने अभी तक पिक किया है और जिस तरह का काम मैं कर रहा हूँ, I think it's all very very demanding. कभी भी ऐसा मैंने कोई रोल अभी तक नहीं किया है कि मैं सेट पे जाके थोड़ा नाचा गाया हंसा खेला फॉरवर्ड जोक्स क्रैक किए और घर आ गए. Everything has been, you know, you have to get into the character and you have to be a different person from a different era. Everest में भी I was a mountaineer, जो कि एवरेस्ट अभी समिट करेंगे उससे पहले वो 7 पीक्स जो थे समिट कर चुके थे. अगेन अ वेरी डिमांडिंग रोल फिजिकली एंड अगेन इट वेंट ऑन फॉर अ ईयर द फिल्मिंग विद आशु सर. And so is Panipat. Panipat is also a very difficult film to do because I'm playing somebody who's from the 18th century and somebody who's an iconic historical character. People know about Shamsher Bahadur. They might not know his entire journey, but they know Shamsher Bahadur. So it's again it's you have to be responsible as an actor. You know you can't let that person or his descendants or the country or his followers down. So yeah, it's been exhausting but beautiful.
How is the bond with Ashish? Because it's your second film with him.
Ji.
So, please tell us.
Ashu sir is legendary. I think he's a legend. He's one of the best filmmakers you can work with. Super calm, always very focused. Ashu sir के set पे हमेशा there's a certain kind of discipline which is very important. I think जब आप पानीपत जैसी फिल्म बना रहे हो, and there's a certain kind of calm. You know, like I have never seen him shout at anybody. I have never seen him lose his cool. And I think that helps because जब आपके filmmaker जो आपका captain of the ship है, अगर if he will lose his calm, then everybody you know also थोड़ा वैसे डगमगा जाएंगे. बट अगर आपके फिल्म मेकर बिल्कुल फोकस है और उनको पता है उन्हें क्या चाहिए तो आपको परफॉर्म करना बहुत ही ईजी हो जाता है. सो माई बॉन्ड इज फिनोमिनल.
So, preparation जो आपने की होगी.
जी
obviously,
जी ऑब्वियसली है.
schedule रहा होगा.
जी
horse riding कर रहे हैं, ये सब
जी
कर रहे हैं,
जी.
बहुत चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा challenging क्या था? Preparation में जो आपको लगा, okay, this is very challenging.
I would say you know horse riding and sword fighting are the prerequisites. I think किसी भी एक्टर के लिए अगर आप वॉरियर प्ले कर रहे हैं और 18th सेंचुरी के वॉरियर हैं तो आपके लिए वो सिर्फ मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं हो गया, वो बैटल फील्ड में भी आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे वो घोड़ा. जैसे हम आज गाड़ी चलाते हैं. I'll give you a very small example. सो वो तो प्री रिक्विजिट है, वो तो हमें दैट हैड टू बी परफेक्ट. तो इसलिए जब मैं शूटिंग शुरू करी उससे पहले ही वी हैड लर्नड हॉर्स राइडिंग एंड स्वॉर्ड फाइटिंग वेरी नाइसली. Because Ashu sir insisted that it should look like it's forced or he doesn't really know it. It should look like he's such a pro that you know like it should come from within. That's a part of his personality or his character sketch. But I think the most difficult part for an actor is never this physicality. It's always to get the emotions right, to get the craft right, to get the performance right. And I hope when you will see the film, you will see the honesty in my performance.
People कहीं ना कहीं they are comparing this movie with another movie, the legendary movie of
जी
Sanjay Leela.
जी जी जी
Bajirao Mastani.
जी जी.
What's your take on that? How valid is the comparison?
See, I don't think it's valid, obviously, because it's a different filmmaker, it's a different vision, it's a different take. And जो बाजीराव मस्तानी थी उसमें भी शमशेर बहादुर थे, एक छोटे बच्चे थे. But now this film is 20 years later. And this film is about the third battle of Panipat and the entire journey. शनिवार वाड़ा से लेके जब आप पानीपत कैसे पहुँचे, क्यों पहुँचे, रास्ते में क्या हुआ, कौन से लोगों के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेट किया, नहीं किया. So it's a different outlook. But अगर आप वेशभूषा की बात करें, आप कॉस्ट्यूम्स की बात करें, आई मीन आप सेट्स की बात करें, आप शनिवार वाड़ा को आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. वो तो शनिवार वाड़ा ही लगेगा. जो आपके कपड़े हैं और आपके बात करने का लहजा है, तरीका है, वो तो सिमिलर होगा बिकॉज आप मराठे हैं, वो भी मराठे थे. सो दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड बट इट्स अ एब्सोल्युटली ब्रांड न्यू फिल्म बाय somebody who's phenomenal. So I think Ashu sir's way of storytelling is also in this movie. You'll see when you'll watch it, you'll know what I mean.
Great. And how is the experience while working with the the cast or with the
Right.
any memorable moments from the sets?
Lots of memorable moments. This film we shot almost for a year, so of course lots of memories. Arjun and I, we get along very well because I think he's a very funny guy, and he's got his humor right. You know, he's got that witty body language, and he's got a very witty attitude towards things. So he'll always make everybody on set laugh, and it'll always be a very fun atmosphere to work with him whenever he's around. And Kriti also, I think Kriti is commendable for whatever she's achieved in her life, because considering she's not from a film background, she comes from nowhere. When I say nowhere, I mean from a non-filmy background. Everybody's from somewhere, like I'm also from somewhere, so is she. But in terms of film, so I think she's extremely hardworking, extremely wonderful as an actress, and that's why she's doing so well. And in terms of moments, lots of moments. Yeah, we've shot so much. You know, घोड़े पे चढ़ना, घोड़े से गिरना, and घोड़े का आपको अच्छे से react ना करना. मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा किसका घोड़ा कब react नहीं करता था, but lots of moments like these. Yeah, घोड़े were also equally important. उनका performance was also equally important. क्योंकि अगर आप घोड़े पे आपने बहुत अच्छा सीन कर दिया, पर घोड़े ने अगर खराब कर दिया तो आप खराब हो गए. जी.
And how Sahil is different from Shamsher in real life?
Com-
Apart from all that, you know,
जी.
Raja, Ghode and all that, like
जी.
the character wise.
Completely different. I'm a very, very urban guy. I have no idea about how the world was then. That's why I had to follow Ashu sir's research so much. But अगर आप similarity की बात करें, I'm also very, very patriotic. Like I'm also very pro-India, and you know that India has to be the best country in the world. We have to make it the best. When something bad happens, I get very affected. Like unfortunately, अभी जो हैदराबाद में हुआ, I got so affected by it because I think anything bad that happens in the country doesn't affect me indirectly. It affects me directly. I feel like it's happened to me or my family. So Shamsher also was like that. He was also very, very pro the motherland, the idea of Hindustan. That's why they went up to Shamsher, Sadashiv and Vishwas. That's why they went up to Panipat to stop Abdali. So that could be a similarity, our love for our country. Upcoming, so before Panipat only, I had started shooting for something for Nikhil Advani for his production company called MA Entertainment. So I'm doing a very special part. It's a crazy part. I've never done anything similar. So I don't know. I can't really tell you much, but let me tell you, I'm like this. I'm a movie star, and in that. So, but it's for web, and it's going to be massive. Let it come out, then we'll talk about it next time when we talk about it. It's a very special part. It's got its own craziness to it. Thank you. So glad talking to you. Thank you.